So you can see that on the first video I was using the air from the jaw, then the air from the throat, and then to do it you need to use your lungs. So it's again a step lower. So the main goal was to make the but like forever. Not forever, but because you're a human, but try to do it at least longer. So yeah, to do it first, I think it's good to practice with the hardcore kick, with the inward kick, to make the impact. So you use it, and you try to make the pressure. Keep the position when you do you see your jaw is getting lower. Okay, so I do and I don't move at the end. Okay, this position, and from this position you got a little hole here. You will try to make the pressure and breathe with your lungs. So at the beginning, maybe something like this, maybe. Yeah, I guess. And then you try again and again to master it. And it's beginning to be like this. So you try maybe longer with your breath. And then you feel, oh, I will dying. But keep it practicing. As well, you can try with the ballsy technique. You use it for the first time, or you show it to the world in 2013 in the Euro Cup. For this, I call this technique the le, because it's like le but inward. It's the same move with my tongue. You see the roof on my mouth, my tongue, and I do. So my tongue moving like this. So I use the sub technique, lip sub technique, and instead of the inward kick, I use the le, the reverse le, ballsy. It's important to have the impact to make it powerful. So you can use le or, and yeah, that's pretty it. I can as well show you a little combo. The first time I found this song, I didn't thinking at all to use it as kick. For me, that was just a bass, but back in the years, trap doesn't exist, so we don't have necessarily the idea to. So that was more I was using with the lip swirl oscillation, and then I was finishing with so you can use it both together and make a cool combo. So you can practice it to mix it the both together. It's exactly at the same place, kind of same place, the corner of your mouth. Let's say the oscillation is beat here and the sub is beat here. Yeah. See you next time.